The Google Pixel 8 Pro is built with a polished aluminum frame and matte black glass, which Google claims to be a scratch resistant glass leveraging Glass Victus 2 on the back of the device and the cover display, all of which is housed in this 100% recycled content. The Pixel 8 Pro is also IP68 dust and water resistant. I love that this year Google made the display flat versus curved, but after using the 8 Pro the last few days quite heavily, the feel in hand isn't the most comfortable, at least going without a case. I'd recommend checking out a case for sure for the added protection, but also for better feel in hand long term, as the edges, display, etc. really dig into the hand after long term heavy use. The 8 Pro has this 6.7-inch Super Actua display, Pixel's brightest ever Google claims, and Google is spot on. This is by far the brightest display I've seen on any Pixel device. At up to 2400 nits peak brightness, you can easily see this display outdoors in direct sunlight. It's also a super smooth display with a dynamic refresh of 1 to 120 Hz. The display, I would say, is honestly the biggest and best upgrade over the Pixel 7 Pro of last year. It's one of my favorite displays across a handful of devices right now. Excellent job here, Google, on the new display. Connectivity wise, the Pixel 8 Pro, while equipped with Wi-Fi 7 and the latest in wireless bands, including an ultra wideband chip, I'm still plagued by inconsistent modem and connectivity issues that I've seen on previous Pixel series, issues that I just don't have on other Android devices. I've tried multiple carriers. When a phone can't phone, it's a real challenge to recommend regardless of how much AI and specs you cram into a device. I've seen these same issues on the Pixel 8 as well, so just note this isn't just specific to the 8 Pro, and I'll get to that in my Pixel 8 review separate from this video. Google's Tensor G3 chip is custom designed with Google's AI for cutting-edge photo and video features and smarter ways to keep it running efficiently and fast throughout your day. I will say the Pixel 8 Pro runs cooler than the Pixel 7 Pro, but does get warm on occasion. Performance-wise, it doesn't feel as smooth or as fast as iPhone 15 Pro, S23 Ultra, or Nothing Phone 2. I really wish Google would just go back to using Snapdragon chipsets. Camera-wise, there's a 50 megapixel main camera, 48 megapixel ultra-wide, 48 megapixel telephoto, and a 10.5 megapixel front-facing selfie camera. Google flexed a ton during their keynote, and they continue to flex their AI capabilities. There are so many camera features packed into the Pixel experience, like Magic Editor, Best Take, Magic Eraser, Photo Unblur, Motion Mode, Night Sight, Astrophotography, Top Shot, etc. for example. However, rather than share a bunch of AI altered images, I wanted to share images just captured via point and shoot to give you an idea of what everyday photos may look like on the Pixel 8 Pro versus flexing all the AI Google and other reviewers spend so much time emphasizing. Here are some samples though, let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. addition to all the sensors here on the Google Pixel 8 Pro, Google decided to throw in a temperature sensor this year, which only works for a handful of physical objects, and it's not yet certified to read human temps just yet. It's honestly a super weird feature and one that Google will probably kill off long term. I can't imagine that Google is going to keep this on board with other Pixel devices in the future. It's just super weird and kind of an odd one I don't think many people are going to trust or use every day. For authentication purposes, Pixel 8 Pro offers the same fingerprint unlock as previously seen on the Pixel 7 series. It's honestly quite slow compared to other ultrasonic fingerprint scanners found on Samsung devices, for example, so I'd recommend using Face Unlock, which has been quite speedy for me here on the 8 Pro consistently for quick device unlocking. There's also pattern, pin, and password options in addition to the biometrics. On board, there's also Google's multi-layer hardware security with Tensor security core and the Titan M2 security chipset. With Pixel, you also get Google's VPN with Google One subscription, ensuring your browsing is secure while at home or on the go. Built into Android and available in the drop-down menu, you also have camera and mic toggles to ensure both are off when you need the extra privacy. The Google Pixel 8 Pro will now run you $1,000 at retail pricing, which is kind of absurd, honestly, for a Pixel device, and I'm not sure how Google justified this price increase this year. I would say if you're looking to go with the Pixel, definitely check out the Pixel 8 first, as that provides a very similar daily experience for $300 less. Overall, the Google Pixel 8 Pro is certainly an upgrade from the Pixel 7 Pro of last year, though it's now priced higher and I'm not quite sure if it's worth the current $1,000 price tag, especially given that there's still modem issues present causing inconsistent connectivity issues. There's still a lot to like, don't get me wrong, but I will recommend the regular Pixel 8 every time to most people over the Pro if going Pixel. Save that $300, ultimately get the same experience on the regular 8. Otherwise, it may be best this year to look at other available Android devices, or maybe wait to see what OnePlus, Samsung, or maybe even nothing may drop in the next few months. As always though, let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. I look forward to the conversation. Thanks for watching, take care, and stay safe.